his classmates told him, "You will never achieve anything great." Sometimes in life, we carry wounds that no one else can see. Arjuna was one of those people. A boy with big dreams, but a heart full of doubt. Because all his life, he believed every word the world spoke about him, even when those words were wrong. When he was young, his classmates told him, "You're too slow, you will never achieve anything great." Those words stayed in his mind like a shadow, and without questioning them, Arjuna accepted them as the truth. Later, when he tried to join a sports club, the coach looked at him and said, "You don't have talent." That one sentence shattered whatever little confidence he had left. And once again, Arjuna believed it. Even in his village, he heard people whisper, "This boy, he will never shine." Slowly, he stopped trying, not realizing that he was living a life created by others' opinions, not by his own potential. But everything changed one day, when Arjuna walked into the workshop of an old carpenter named Ravi.
Nothing seems to go right for me.
A man known for turning simple blocks of wood into beautiful wooden birds that looked alive. Arjuna stood silently, watching the old man's hands move with steady, peaceful confidence. Something about that moment touched his heart. Gathering courage, Arjuna asked, "Uncle, how did you become so perfect?" Ravi smiled, a smile filled with years of experience.
People told me I was useless too, but I learned of everything you hear. Most people speak from fear, not from your truth.
But I learned
Is it
something
time?
powerful.
Don't believe everything.
Then Ravi placed a half-carved wooden bird in Arjuna's hands and said, "Take this home, complete it, and remember, only you decide what becomes your reality." That night, Arjuna tried carving for the first time, but nothing went right. The wooden bird turned out crooked and broken, and a voice inside him whispered, "See, you're not good enough." But this time, he stopped and repeated Ravi's words to himself. Don't believe everything. Day after day, day after day, Arjuna practiced. People laughed. People mocked. Some said he was wasting his time. But for the first time in his life, their words didn't control him. He had found something stronger than their opinions. Belief in himself. He finished carving a wooden bird so perfect that even he couldn't believe it was made by him. With tears in his eyes, Arjuna ran back to Ravi. The old carpenter held the bird gently and said, "Your life changed the moment you stopped believing others and started believing yourself." Arjuna went on to become a respected craftsman, but he carried one truth with him wherever he went.
I bought a smartphone with my own money. I gave some of the money to my father and mother. I am happy. I earned this by carving beautiful wooden birds. Ravi uncle gave me confidence. Now I understand that I am capable of getting good marks. And I will continue making beautiful wooden birds as my side business. You are not what the world says. You are what you choose to believe. So don't believe everything, especially the words that try to stop you from growing.
Lord Krishna told Arjuna on the battlefield, "You have the right to your actions, but not to the results. Do your duty and do not let the words of others shake your mind." Gita 2.47. What does this really mean? Krishna is reminding us that the world will always have opinions. People will judge, doubt, criticize, and sometimes even laugh at our dreams. But none of that decides our future. Your results are not controlled by their words. They are controlled by your effort, your discipline, your belief, and your connection to your purpose. Krishna is teaching Arjuna and all of us that we should not let fear of failure or fear of judgment stop us from walking our path. Do your duty with a pure heart. Give your best and focus only on your effort. You become unstoppable. This is the power of Karma Yoga. This is the message of the Gita, and this is the truth that can change your life. If you like this video, please don't forget like, comment and subscribe.